All right, so this is going to be kind of a just real basic conceptual idea of how we'd go about modifying this course homepage. Things are going to change in terms of those requirements are. I'm just going to show a few little tricks here real quick. I'm assuming right now that if you've done this, you've already gone through and followed the directions that Kathy Williams sent out on how to import this page into your course. So you have the page, it's imported into your course. To find it, just click Pages. And if you have more than one page, you'll have a list of those pages, but right now in my course, I just have one page. This is Canvas homepage. So I'm going to hit Edit here and start editing. Now, some of the behaviors here might be a little bit different just based on my machine, but here's what I would do. I'm starting with these dots over here on the side, and I'm going to drag down my editing area as low as I can go. I just want a little bit of extra space to work. Starting with name of course, what I want to do to rename this to preserve this text styling is just click right next to the E there, and then backspace, and make sure you just backspace right to the end there, and then you'd say your name of your course. And anytime you want to change the text here, the default text, just make sure you click delete and retype. And is that the only way to do it? Nope, not at all. There's probably another way to do that well, but I also have run into issues where if I delete everything, it reverts back to the default, like just black size 12 font. And so to preserve that formatting, that's how I would do it. Next thing we're going to look at is how to create links. And what these links look like for Zoom, for example, might still a little bit up in the air, but assuming that we have one link to Zoom for our class, here's how we do this. We would select the content that we want to turn into a link. Up here along the editor at the top, we'd click this links button, and then we hit external links in this case, because we want to link to something outside of Canvas, which is a Zoom link. Hit external links, and then we would paste right here the link to our Zoom course, or the link to our Zoom class. So we could do that. Right here, we can do the same thing with an image. So what we would do is click the image, we would click the links and hit external links, and it'll also turn the image into a link. Now, likely you probably want to do, in this case, the same link for both the text and the image, but it gives your users easier access because they can click either one. Now we look at something like assignments and modules. So if we click modules and we highlight it, now modules is actually part of our course. The little workaround to do for modules right here is to right-click modules in your course navigation, hit copy link address, and then when we go to create that, we're going to go link, and then we're going to go external links. Again, even though it is a link within our course, and we're going to paste in that link to our modules page. I'm going to do the same thing with the image by clicking external links, link, and then pasting in. Now, anything else that you might have that is within your course. And right now on this template, we don't have anything, I think, that is going to be within the course. The calendar is kind of up in the air. We're not really sure what that looks like yet in terms of what we're linking there with the calendar. But if you did, for any reason, want to link to something that's already within your course, at any point, in any capacity, anytime you're using this rich content, or even you're making an assignment or something like that, what you would do is click or highlight the content that you want to create a link from, and then hit course links. And this allows you to create a direct link to any content that's within your course. And how you use this on this particular page, not necessarily necessary based on what we have laid out for us at this point with this template. But that is something that is an option that's available as you go to create links to things and use links within your courses or as you create assignments.